How to create a custom header in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So first, we just want to log into our Shopify store, go to Online Store, Themes, and click on Edit Theme. So it's quite simple actually, because the header only consists of two main parts, the announcement bar, which you can completely hide, and the main header. So let's just go ahead and talk about the announcement bar real quick. If you just go ahead and click on it, you are going to be able to find the main option and also the different blocks that are in it. So we have this one, we can just click on it, which says welcome to our store by default. We can just change this text to be whatever we want it to be, and also add a link to it so that it is going to be clickable. But we also have a few things here to play around with, like for example, the type of font and also the size of it. Now we can add another block as well, so we can have multiple different announcements. So we can just do this, and again, just change the text, change the link, and make it the same font if you want. And now we can just click on announcement bar, the main one, and we can change how much time it takes to switch between the two. And also we can change the color scheme of the entire thing. So if we just click on color scheme and choose this one, it's just going to change like that. Now, in order to create your own custom scheme here, you just simply go to theme settings and go to colors and create a scheme from here. Also, speaking of theme settings, if you click on theme settings, we want to go to logo and favicon, and we want to go to default logo and select a proper logo. This is going to be added to our main menu here for the header, and we simply just want to resize it to our liking. And then we can just go and further position it from the header section. So let's just go back to sections and select header. So select header. We're going to have the logo here. I'm just going to make it in the center. And also, if we just scroll down a little bit, we should be able to find more options like the search icon, position of it if you want. Now, this may seem different for you depending on the type of theme that you're using. In this current case, we're using Horizon, so it really just depends on the theme. But you can just thoroughly go through these settings and you're going to have plenty of options to choose from, like the font of it, the size of it, and so on. Now, if we just scroll down a little bit more, we can find appearance, and we can even toggle on or off a sticky header. A sticky header meaning if we scroll down, it's just going to stay here at the top, as you can see. But if we just set it up to be never, that means it's just going to stay up there. It's not really going to scroll down with us. So I'm just going to leave it as always. And I'm just going to change the color scheme for it. And yeah, we're pretty much good to go. You have a few settings here to play around with, and you have a fully customized header. This is pretty much all you need to really do. One last thing here is going to be that you can also customize the menu here. To do so, you simply just want to click on the menu section. And you just want to change the menu from here. Just click on replace and replace it with a fully new one. And just to note, in order to actually create your menu, you simply just want to go to your Shopify main dashboard, go to content, click on menus, and you can just go in and create your menu from here. And yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how to create a custom header using Shopify. It is extremely simple. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.